Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. Today we'll be doing grade 8 maths paper 1 focusing on graphs. So let's start with today's lesson. Use the equation y is equal to x plus 4 to answer the questions that follow. So let's first start by populating this table. So when x is minus 2, that means the equation we've been given, y is equal to x plus 4. Where there is x, we're going to replace by minus 2. And then we'll have the answer of 2. So 2 will be what we should populate on this table. And then here, x is minus 1. The equation will be minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3. And where x is 0, we'll have 0 plus 4. Remember where I get the 4 from the original formula. So here we'll have a 4. Where x is 1, we'll have 1 plus 4, which is going to be 5. And where x is 2, we'll have 2 plus 4, which is going to be 6. So basically, this is what you're going to have. Inside the cells of the table. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Plot the ordered pairs on the Cartesian plane and join the points. Okay, now let's plot the points on the Cartesian plane. So let's write here 10.2.2. We'll have y axis, and then you'll have x axis. Let's name them y and x. X starts at minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Then y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this point where x is minus 2, y is 2, we're going to make a point there. And then the next point is minus 1 and 3, which is here. Then the next point is going to be 0 and 4, which is here. 1 and 5, and then finally 2 and 6. Okay, let's draw a graph by joining all the points together. Okay, this is how our graph is going to look like. Now let's move on to the next question. 10.4, plot the points M and N on the coordinate plane. Okay, let's write a different plane of axis. So the first point is 5 and 2, which is point M. This is when x is 5 and then y is 2. Point M is about here. Then point N is when x is minus 2 and y is 4. Sorry, is it minus 2? Yes, that's correct, minus 2. So minus 2 is about here, and then 4 is about over there. So okay, let's write this side minus 2 and 4. Okay. The first question is reflect point M on the y-axis to map point M prime. Okay, in order to reflect point M, remember this is point M. Let's choose color blue. In order to reflect this point, you need to flip the sign of your x coordinate so that you're going to have M prime is minus 5 and 2, right? So which means M prime is going to be over here, minus 5 and 2. So that's the reflection about the y-axis. Okay, now let's answer the next question. Translate point N 5 places to the right and 6 places down. Okay, let's start by 5 places to the right. Here is point N. So if you're going to take it 5 places to the right, that means minus 2 will change 5 places to the right, which we're going to have the x coordinate is going to be minus 2 plus 5 because you're going to the right, which is going to take us to 3. So 3 is over here, and then N, if it moves 5 places to the right, it's going to be over here, right? Let's call it N prime. N prime is 3 and 4. So if you further take it 6 places down, that means you're going to have a change is going to be on the y coordinates since we're going down. So going down, we have to subtract 6 places down, which is going to take us to minus 2. So which means, let's plot minus 2 here. Point N double prime is going to be 3 and minus 2. So that's it. Have we done all the questions? Yes, we've come to the end of today's lesson. If you like today's lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned on the next lesson. Cheers.